Hi, this is sub day instructions for September 15th, 2025. Um, I'm out today for a funeral. My wife's grandmother passed away. Um, she was in her 90s. She passed away very quietly. It's still sad. We still miss her quite a bit. But I'll see you guys on this next A Day on Wednesday. Um, All right, all classes, no guests, no passes to other classrooms. Passes from other teachers are acceptable only if they need to come edit using Adobe software independently on a PC. Not to come and socialize. If they're going to put on headphones and lock in on a computer and get their work done, that's perfectly fine. If they're there to socialize, then and keep other students from doing their work or just not being what it's supposed to do, uh, not acceptable. Please feel free to say no if it all seems shady. So all right, there's a state law about not using cell phones. My uh, cell phone pouch is locked up um, in the closet, but students should still keep their cell phones locked up in their backpacks. They shouldn't be out. Feel free to take it away from them and call an administrator if they give you problems. It's a state law. They know the expectations. All right. Those are my dogs. Advisory: students are live streaming the morning news. After attendance, the librarian or an administrator has keys to the studio. Um, all right. First block is broadcast journalism. Let's change that to first block. They have an ed puzzle about how to pitch a news story. Let's see what that looks like on there. That's right here where it says sub day 9/15/25. It's right here. It's a short video. They also have a lot of work to be catching up on. A lot of people have missing work. Um, and if they're done with that, they can work quietly on work for another class. Okay. Um, A2 is an introduction to media arts class. Um, as soon as this class is over, take first lunch, and the students are tardy to A3 at 12:23. So take first lunch as soon as this class is over. So plan for that. Um, they have an ed puzzle about shot types. It's a little bit longer. There's a lot of questions in it. It's mostly multiple choice, maybe all multiple choice. Um, it's going to be graded automatically as soon as they put it in. So they should do that. And they can work quietly when for other work when they're done. Um, they might ask for cards or equipment or something. It's We'll extend the deadlines on everything. So tell them just that we'll catch up on what the project we're working on Wednesday. All right, film production is A3. They also have an ed puzzle. This is about jobs on a film set. Well, let's take a look at. So this is the ed puzzle for Introduction to Media Arts. It looks like this ed puzzle shot sizes and the ed puzzle for A3 is ed puzzle film crew roles. So the different roles and responsibilities that people have on a film set. Um, that ends my teaching day. Fourth block is a planning block. Check with the front desk for any activities or I'm sorry, duties that they might need you for. And hope the day goes well. I'll see substitute and teachers later. Thank you.